recording now. Wait, let me see that you're on the frame. Wait, that's too much light behind us.
Hold on.
Me and Dylan are driving home. We're in my car. Oh, take.